Okay, so let's start. Okay, let's start with the algebra. This is lower sec algebra, so it's pretty simple. Okay, so let's start with the question 1. Okay, so write the algebraic expression for add 3x to 4. Add 3x to 4. So it is just like normal number. If let's say today at the side, let's say for example, if we have, they say add 3 to 4. We all know that it is just 3 plus 4. Okay, that's normal number. This is for normal number. Then for algebraic expression, it's the same thing. Add 3x to 4, so it's simply just write 3x plus 4. And you cannot simplify this further. This is like 3 apple plus 4 orange, which is two different things. So you can just leave it in this form. Okay, 3x plus 4. Sam, I think this one you will have to create another playlist for this. It's EMath, but can you put for me normal technical? Okay, so that means it's free lessons for technical stream. Okay, next, divide 5 by square of a. So over here, when they say divide, okay, I'm going to say, like for example, if I'm going to say divide 12 by 4. So divide 12 by 4 is the same meaning as 12 divided by 4. And we can write it in fraction form, which is 12 over 4. This is like normal number. So same apply for this. But now the part is, what is square of a? Square of a is just like, if for example, I say I want square of 2. Square of 2 means that I want 2 to the power of 2. Okay, 2 to the power of 2. So in this case, square of a means that it is a to the power of 2. So divide by square of a means that it will just be 5 over a squared. Because divide, we can write it as fraction. So it is just 5 over a squared. Okay, so this red color box up is because it is not exactly directly related to this question, but it is relevant. So I box it up so that you will not be confused. Is this the working for this one? No, it's just the concept that is related to this, but I box it up at the side. I box it up at the side. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Okay, so this one, given that A, they tell us that A is -2, B is 3, and C is 1. So they want you to find the value of A plus B. I'm doing normal tech lower secondary algebra. Okay, so A is -2, B is 3, and C is 1. So they want A plus B plus C. So what I usually tell my student is, okay, write out the question first, replace all the alphabet with bracket. So A plus B plus C. So my A, they tell us is -2. My B, they tell us is 3. Our C is 1. So all you need to do is you can just press the calculator exactly what we wrote here. So put the bracket, -2, close bracket, plus, open bracket, 3, close it, plus, open 1, close it, and press equal, and you get a 2. Okay, so this is just equals to 2. Very simple. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. So A over B plus C. Okay, same thing. We're going to replace all the alphabet with the bracket. A over B plus C. So my A is -2, so put here. My B is 3. My C is 1. So again, you can press the calculator exactly the same. So put a fraction, open bracket, -2, close bracket, bring it down, open bracket, 3, plus 1. So key exactly the same. And then just press equal, and it will give you 1/3. So it is just equals to 1/3. Done. Okay, so make it a habit that whenever they ask you to sub in the alphabet value, replace the alphabet with bracket and throw in the numbers. Okay, the bracket is important, especially if it involves negative values. Okay. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. Okay, for those who are not sure, where do you get the PDF worksheet for this is, you will go to my Telegram channel, which is you have to go to my bio, click on the last button, which is go to my Telegram channel. So Sam will upload the PDF as well, PDF and the solution tomorrow, okay? So you can get the PDF worksheet from the Telegram channel. Okay, this one. James has $5 and bought some food at X dollar. So how much money does James have? So let's take a look at, let's say it's normal number. If let's say James, okay, has $5, bought some food, so bought food, maybe I say bought $2. So of course, how much he left will be, we will just take $5 minus $2, right? Which we get $3. This is normal number. This is when we are doing normal number. So algebraic expression is also the same thing. So it means that the working will still be 5 minus x. Okay? And again, 5 is number, x is algebra. So they are like apple and orange. You cannot simplify further. So just put a bracket and say that this is the amount that he has left. Okay? Okay, let's move to question 4. So write an algebraic expression for each of the following. Sum is the same meaning as adding. So this is the same meaning as plus. So sum of x plus 3 means you just put x plus 3. Again, apple plus orange cannot simplify further. So this is the final answer. Next, subtract 6 from 7 cubed. So if today I'm going to say subtract 6 from 10. Okay? Back to the primary school. Subtract 6 from 10. What does that mean? From 10 means I'm going to take 10 minus 6. Okay, so this is the meaning from subtract 6 from 10. So same apply for algebra. They say subtract 6 from 7 cubed means it is 7 cubed minus 6. And again, 7 cubed and 6, they are not like terms. So you can just leave it in this form. You cannot further simplify it. So it's just 7 cubed minus 6. Okay. Next, product. Product is the same meaning as multiply. Okay, product is the same meaning as multiply. So when we say that we want product of 2 and 3, for example, we know that we want to do 2 times 3. Okay? So in this case, it's algebra, so it's the same meaning. So when we say product of 2a and b, you will take 2a multiplied by b. And in algebra, when you do multiply, when you multiply the algebra, you just stick them together. So you will write them as 2ab, and you are done. Okay? I hope there are normal tech students here learning. Okay? So, given that x is equals to 6, y equals to negative 2, find the value of 3x plus y. So same thing, what I want you to do is, okay, they want 3x plus 5, you write 3x plus y first, not plus 5, sorry, plus y, 3x plus y. Then I want you to replace the alphabet with bracket. So it's 3x plus y. Now we're going to throw in x, they tell us that it's 6, so we put in 6 here. Y is negative 2, so you put it here. Then again, you go to your calculator. So it's 3 open bracket 6 plus open bracket negative 2, and you will get 16. So it is just equals to 16. Okay? So just replace the alphabet with bracket, throw in the numbers that they ask you to substitute in, and then just press the calculator and you can get the answer. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next part. Okay, so write an algebraic expression for each of the following. Subtract 10 from x. So just now previously we have a similar question, correct? So it's from x, so that means it's x minus something. So in this case, it's just x minus 10. And that is your final answer. Now this one. Divide the sum of 2 and n. So they are saying the sum of 2 and n by n. So the sum of 2 and n is 2 plus n. They want to divide these by m. So that means the whole thing divided by m. And this one you cannot further simplify. So this is your final answer. Okay. Okay, let's move on. Okay, Annie is x minus 5 years old. Her brother Benny is x years old. And the mother is 3 times the Benny age. That means 3 times the brother age. Write a simplified algebraic expression in terms of x for their total age. Okay, every time this kind of question come out, I will always state clearly what expression represent who. So they tell us that Annie is x minus 5. The brother, you can bracket it and say this is Benny. They tell us is x years old. As for the mother, is 3 times Benny age. So it's using Benny, which is x 3 times. So it's 3 times x. So it's using Benny x multiplied by 3. And to simplify x times 3, it is just 3x. Okay, 3x. So now you have the individual age of the 3 of them. They want the total age. So what I'm going to do is, means I'm going to take x minus 5 plus x plus 3x. So what you need to do is group the like terms together. So apple and apple put together. So apple plus 3 apple. X plus 3x. Then minus 5, don't have any friend, just put it behind. So this one we know that it is the like terms. So 1 plus 1 plus 3 is 5. So it's actually 5x minus 5. Okay, so you can leave your answer in this, and usually what I do is I bracket and say that this is years old because this is talking about age. So actually this is the answer. So over here, the answer here put minus 5 plus 5, minus 5 plus 5x. This is the same. It's just they put it the other way around, but put it in this form is better. Okay. So this kind of question, 2 marks. Of course, you must grab it. Please grab it. Okay, now let's move on. Okay, so it increase a little bit of the difficulty. You can see that, wait, you see decimal here. And over here, you start to see a lot more negative things. So it's the same way of doing it. So write out A plus 0.5B minus 4C. This is the question. So you're going to replace the alphabet with bracket. So it will be A plus 0.5B minus 4C. Then you go to look at the question and see what A is what. A is 5. So put in 5 here. B is negative 2. Put negative 2 here. 4 is the C. So I'm going to put in 4 here. So this one, whole thing, you can just key into the calculator. So we will have 5 plus 0.5 negative 2. Oh, this is minus. Delete. Minus 4 bracket. Minus 4 open bracket 4. Close it. So key exactly the same. Okay, and just press equal. So it gives us a negative 12. So it is negative 12. So you are done. Okay. This one. So this is 2C minus 3A over minus 2B. So what you're going to do is replace the alphabet with bracket. Thanks for the rows. Okay, so it will be 2C minus 3A over minus 2B. So you see exactly the same. I replace the alphabet with bracket. So again, throw in the number. C is 4. So put in correctly. This is A. A is 5. B is negative 2. So you got to key into the calculator. Fraction 2 open bracket 4 close it minus 3 open bracket 5 over negative 2 open bracket negative 2 because your B is negative 2 close it, key exactly the same you see exactly the same then all you need to do is equal. Okay, so it's minus 7 over 4. So it's equals to minus 7 over 4. But for number, usually we will leave answer in it. For this case, can be decimal. Either you leave your answer in decimal or you can leave your answer in mixed number. So just press this, you get negative 1.75, or I can put it in mixed number, which is this, minus 1, 3 over 4. So either way, you want to put negative 1.75 also can, negative 1 whole 3 over 4 also can. Okay, so this will be the answer. Either one can already, no need to put both. Try not to put improper fraction. Okay. Okay. Next. Yes, this is normal tech math, normal tech math, but this is lower secondary school, lower sec algebra. Okay, so same thing, you have x equals to negative 2, y is given is 3, z is 9. So they ask for 5xz. So 5xz. Okay, take note that you see my z, I usually don't write my z this way. So take note that you do not write z this way. Because if you write z this way, it looks like a 2. Okay. So z you don't write in this form. Z you don't write in this form. Because it looks like a 2. So you make sure that you write z with a middle line. So you know how to differentiate between the z and the 2. Okay, in algebra z, please remember to write it in this form. Okay, so 5xz, remember just now I said when they put the alphabet stick together, it represents multiply. So but it's the same step. I'm going to still replace my alphabet with bracket. So it will be 5 bracket and bracket. So my x for this case is negative 2. So put in negative 2. Z is 9. So you can just key calculator exactly the same like what I put here. So it's 5 open bracket, negative 2, close bracket, open bracket 9, close. And that will give us minus 90. So it's minus 90. Yes, this is Singapore math, normal tech stream level. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, 3x minus 4y. 3x minus 4y. So 3x minus 4y equal. So again, you're going to replace the alphabet with bracket. So it's 3 bracket minus 4 bracket. Go back to the question and see, okay, my x is negative 2, throw in the negative 2. My y is 3, put in the 3. Okay, in this question, there's no z, so no need to panic. You just need to know to take the correct values from the alphabet. Okay, again, you can just press a calculator. So it's 3 open bracket, negative 2, minus 4 open bracket, 3. And we will get negative 18. So it's negative 18. Okay, so this is algebraic expression, subbing values. Okay, next. So, Fatu is F plus 3 years old, and his mother is 4F years old. So they say that if F is equals to 9, find the age of Fatu and his mother respectively. So take note of the word respectively. They did not mention to find the sum of their age. why do you need to write program to your calculator? Okay, basically calculator is just for us to use plus, minus, multiply and divide, right? So we don't need to go and write the program. Okay, we are just using the calculator to help us to do the calculation for the questions. So yeah, we don't do any program for our calculator. So Fatu is F plus 3 years old and his mother is 4F. So remember I said we must list down so that we can see clearly. So Fatu is F plus 3 years old. The mother is 4F years old. Okay? So now they tell you that F is 9. Find the age of Fatu. Fatu is just F plus 3. So actually easy. Fatu F plus 3 means is equals to 9 plus 3 because F is 9. So it means Fatu is 12 years old. They say respectively, that means you got to give the individual number. You got to tell them Fatu is how old is Fatu and how old is the mother. The mother is 4F. So 4F means that it will be 4 times F. So just change the alphabet with the bracket and put in 9 because they say F is 9. So 4 times 9 is 36. So it's 36 years old. So you can see that they say Fatu is 12 years old, the mother is 36 years old. Okay? So don't add them together. They never ask for the sum, they ask for the age respectively. Okay, so let's move on to the next part. So this is similar to just now we have go through. Okay, we write the following as algebraic expression. Subtract 8 from 12b. So by now you should know that it is from 12b. So it will be 12b minus 8. And 12b and minus 8, they are not like terms. So this is the final answer. Okay, 12b minus 8. 12b minus 8. Okay, this one increase a little bit more difficulty already. But remember just now we have product of AB. So product of AB means you got to multiply. So they want to A times B. So A times B, by now you should know that A times B, you just write it as AB. They say add. Add, of course, we know is plus. So they say add 2H to the product of AB. So it means that they want you to add this to this. So it's simply just 2H plus AB. And this is definitely unlike terms. You cannot add them anymore. So this is the final answer. Okay? This is changing English into algebraic expression. Okay? So that's for question 10. Okay, let's move on to simplifying algebraic expression. I don't think that it's good and wise to solve simultaneous equation via calculator, because I think simultaneous equation is a very important skill to solve two unknown. So it's good to know how to form two equations and solve them simultaneously manually. Okay, let's move on. Simplifying the expression. Okay, simplify the expression 4x plus 4y minus 3x plus 9y. Okay. (4x plus 4y minus 3x plus 9y). So I'm going to write the question here. So 4x plus 4y minus 3x plus 9y. So you need to group the like terms together. It's like you got to group the apples together, orange together. So let's group 4x and x. Minus 3x is same. It's like 4 apple minus 3 apple. So you will write as 4x minus 3x. Okay? Then after that, you will put plus 4y plus 9y. So what you can do is, this one like terms, you can press the calculator and you know that it is 4 minus 3, it gives you 1. But we usually don't write 1x, so we just write as x. For the plus 4 plus 9, it's just 4 plus 9, so it gives you 13. So calculator give you 13, but it's not plus 13 only, plus 13, and don't forget to put back your y. So it's x plus 13y. So it's like, okay, I have 1 apple and 13 orange. And you cannot add them together. Okay, it's not fruit juice. Okay, so this is the final answer. Okay, so this is grouping the like terms together. Okay, let's move on to the next. So we have 1.3x minus 7 plus 2.7x plus 4. So don't need to panic when you see decimal. It's just number. Okay, it's just number. So same thing, you're going to group the apples together, orange together. So we will write it as 1.3x plus 2.7x minus 7 plus 4. So this 1.3x plus 2.7, you just key calculator 1.3 plus 2.7, it gives you 4. So it is 4, but don't forget to put back the x. Okay? The x sort of like represent apple, apple. Okay? Okay, so then next, minus 7 plus 4. So it is negative 7 plus 4. Negative 7 plus 4, calculator give you negative 3. So this one is minus 3. But don't forget, okay, this one no alphabet, so that means it's just minus 3. And that's your final answer. Okay, 2 marks. Okay, just need to group the like terms together. Can use a calculator to help you to find the answer. Then just remember to put back the alphabet, if there is an alphabet there. Okay, so let's move on. Simplify the following expression. So same. So 5a plus 3 minus a minus 7. So again, I'm going to group the like terms together. So 5a minus a is together, plus 3 minus 7 is together. So 5a minus a is 5 minus 1. So we will know that it is 4. So you will put 4, but don't forget to put back your a. Plus 3 minus 7. So 3 minus 7 is negative 4. So this is just minus 4. Check any alphabet, no alphabet. So there's just number. So it's 4a minus 4. And that's the answer. Okay. Next. This one a little bit tough, but it's doable. See, 5c minus 3c over 5. So now you can see that the c is at the numerator, the fraction. So you all need to know that, I'm going to write at the side here, 3c over 5, okay, with a minus. When the c is at the numerator, you can rewrite it as minus 3 over 5c. Okay, so it's like minus 3/5 c. Okay, when c is at the numerator, you can put it to the middle. But take note that when it is minus 3/5c, when the c is at the denominator, you cannot write this. You cannot write this. This is cannot. So only when the c is at the numerator. This side you already missed 10 questions, but it's okay. You can still refer to the TikTok live. I mean the replay when Sam upload onto the YouTube channel. Okay, so this is very important. So when the c is at the numerator, you can put it to the middle. So I will rewrite this. I will write as 5c minus 3/5 c. And because they are like Yong, it's like a long time. It has been a long time since I see you. Logarithm, are you doing your own homework logarithm? I did logarithm last lesson. Yes, I did 10 questions of Normal Tech 1. Today is Normal Tech Lower Set Algebra. I think you were the one who keep shouting algebra, right? So here I am doing the algebra. Okay? So this one, you will key calculator 5 minus 3/5. So it's just 5 minus fraction 3/5. Press calculator, you get this. But I usually change it to mixed number, so it's 4 whole 2/5. So it will be equals to 4 whole 2/5 C. Okay, sorry. Although it's mixed now, this is algebra. So algebra usually they put it in improper. So they put improper. Where's my improper? Okay. 22 over 5. 22 over 5. So you write it as 22 over 5C. And you can put it in this form. Okay? So this one a little bit tedious as in because you suddenly see the C is at the top. Okay? Instead of ln, I just write log E. Every question I use log. Why? I mean, if you already know that it's base E, you can just write ln. You don't have to purposely review the base unless you want to change the logarithm to the index form. Okay. So we are done with this question. Let's go to the next one. Okay, so this one, 5a minus 2a, very straightforward. Because it's like 5 apple minus 2 apple, correct? So, of course, this one, if you don't know how to do mental calculation, it's just 5 minus 2, you get 3, correct? So it's just 3 apple, 3a, just 3a. So 1 mark. Grab it and put it inside your pocket. Ta-da! Okay, so this one, 3b plus 8 plus 6b minus 4. So again, group the like terms together. So you have 3b plus 6b, and then after that we have plus 8 minus 4. So 3b plus 6b, you can just press the calculator. 3 plus 6, you get 9. So just put 9, don't forget to put back your b. This one plus 8 minus 4, so it's 8 minus 4, which is 4. So it's just plus 4. Yes, so it's 9b plus 4. And 9b plus 4, you cannot simplify, it's right? 9 banana plus 4 orange, you cannot add them together. So that's the final answer. Okay, over here, 7 over 12c minus 1/4 c. So again, don't have to panic, and because you can use calculator, okay, so this means there's like a 7 over 12 coconut minus 1/4 coconut, right? So it seems it's the same, it's a like term. So what you can do is just press a fraction, 7 over 12 minus 1/4. Calculator give you 1/3. So it means it is 1/3, but don't forget to put back the c, and that's our final answer. No, not 9b squared. This is adding. Adding you don't have square. Unless it is b times b, then it is b squared. Okay? Only when you do b multiplied by b, then it's b squared. When you add 3b plus 6b, it's just like 3 banana plus 6 banana, you have 9 banana. Okay? You don't have banana times banana. It's not. So you need to know this is how b squared works. Okay, no problem. Hope you are listening. Please score. Okay, just to let you know that I understand that. Okay, I understand that. Not say I'm trying to be biased. Okay, not say I'm trying to be biased. Okay, normal tech, when you are in normal tech class, a lot of students may just give up already, right? You all don't learn, everyone is just playing, and then don't want to study. Okay, so it's very easily distracted by your classmate or schoolmate. Okay, but anything is possible. Okay, I have students who come to me normal tech, and then after that in Sec 1 she's in normal tech. So the mother and the father tell me that hopefully that she can go up to academic, normal acad. So she signed up with me, normal tech, and then after that she managed to do well for her math, and she managed to be promoted to normal acad in Sec 2. Right? So now she's in normal acad, and now she's already Sec 3 normal acad. Okay? And so don't give up, okay? Other people don't want to study is their problem. Okay? It's really up to you to whether you want to study and make a difference in your life. Okay, don't let your environment affect you. Other people don't want to study is their problem. Okay, you control your own life. So hope me doing all these lessons, okay, can help you in certain ways and give you a little bit more confidence in doing math. Okay, next question 5. So simplify 2x minus y plus 5x plus 7y. So let's just write out the question. 2x minus y plus 5x plus 7y. Same thing, group the like terms together. So we have 2x plus 5x minus y plus 7y. So press the calculator. 2x plus 5x is just 2 plus 5, which is 7. So don't forget to put x. Minus y plus 7y, so you will just put it as minus 1. Minus y is minus 1, minus 1 plus 7. And calculator give you a positive 6. So that means you put plus 6, and don't forget to put back your y. So this is the final answer. Okay. Yong, thanks for the... You're asking them to stay strong, right? Yes, all these questions are taken from past year paper. You can see that I take, you see, from East Spring to normal tech. Okay, this is from Greendale to normal tech. All these are the questions from past test paper lah. Okay, I do not. Okay, for past 10 years, I do teach normal tech as well, but the demand is not high. Okay, the demand is not high. So usually when I take in normal tech students, okay, I do not have materials for normal tech students. My materials are all express and normal acad. Okay, but I also don't want to give up normal tech students. So I also want to help them. So what I do is just take me and my team get questions from the past year question from the normal tech, and from there we can just guide the students. Okay. Yeah. So I do my part to teach. You do your part to study well. Okay. When you upload it on the Telegram channel, Lisa, I will upload tomorrow. Today you can screenshot while I do the question, right? You can screenshot, and then or you can follow my steps and write it on foolscap paper first, right? And when Sam upload the PDF worksheets to the Telegram channel, then you can go and download. Okay, now next one. So 10x minus 6y plus 4x plus 9y. Yong, you become my PA, huh? Okay. So again, first thing what we need to do, we need to group the like terms together. So 10x plus 4x group together, minus 6y plus 9y group together. Then we can just press the calculator. This is just 10 plus 4. So we get 14. So 14, don't forget to put back your x. Okay, this one minus 6 plus 9. So it's negative 6 plus 9. So it gives us a positive 3. So it is a positive 3, and remember to put back your y. Again, 14x plus 3y is unlike terms. You cannot simplify them further. So this is your final answer. Okay? Okay, let's move on to the next. Okay, you can see that their questions are similar one, similar. It's just all from different papers. Okay, it's like more practice lah. 14x 3y. Where? No, it's not multiply, it's plus. 14x plus 3y. These are all addition, subtraction. It's got nothing to do with multiplication. So it's 14x plus 3y, not multiply. Not multiply. Take note. Okay, over here, let's take a look. Same thing, 2x plus 3 plus 6x. So group the like terms together. So you have 2x plus 6x, and then after that the number behind plus 3. So 2x plus 6x, they are like terms, so it's just 2 plus 6, so you get 8. So it is just equals to 8x. Okay, then plus 3, no friend, so just put behind, plus 3. Done. Okay, good, Lisa. Okay, now you start to see fraction, right? But remember just now, previous question, I've mentioned that you see fraction, no need to panic. They are just numbers. So we have 2x plus half x minus 2/3 x. The first thing you need to check is whether they are like terms. So it's all x. So that means it's just apple, right? So it means that I can just press a calculator. 2 plus half minus 2/3. So you get 11 over 6. So it is just 11 over 6x, and you're done. Okay. Number 8 is the second one flip over. Yes, actually it's similar to normal fractions. So I'll come to this part. Okay, now let's take a look at this part. They said 4y over 9 divided by 2 over 9. So let me recall and recap about primary school fraction. Recap. So let's say in primary school, let's say we have 4 over 9 divided by 2 over 9. Okay, assuming you have no assuming you have no calculator, how do you do this manually? So the 4 over 9 will remain the same. The divide will change to multiply, and when you change divide to multiply, you flip the fraction on the second part. So 2 over 9 become 9 over 2. Okay, so then after that you will simplify by cancellation. So I always tell my student, ribbon. You can only cancel diagonally, up and down. Okay, you cannot cancel side by side. So ribbon. So the 9 I can cancel, divide by 9 1, divide by 9 1. 4 2 I can simplify, divide by 2 1, divide by 2 2. So in the end I get 2 over 1, which is just 2. Okay, this is normal fraction manipulation. These are taught in primary school. So now back to here, this is algebraic. In terms of algebra division, right? So how do we do? Same thing, I'm going to keep 4y over 9 the same. Change divide to multiply. So it's 9 over 2. So you also do the ribbon thing by cancellation. But take note, you cannot cancel the y. The y, you just keep it there, don't touch it. So divide by 9 1, divide by 9 1. Divide by 2 1, divide by 2 2. So 2y, so this time around you will have 2y over 1, and you write it as just 2y. Yes, keep, change, flip. Yeah, this is what primary school always teach, right? Keep, then you change, then you flip. Okay? Okay, let's move on. Same. I think by now you all should know how to do this kind of question. 2p minus 5 plus 7p. So for those who are listening, can someone tell me what's the answer for this one? I must hide the answer. Okay, I already did a lot of similar questions. So what's the first thing you need to do, and then what is the answer? Okay, this should be simple. I've been doing 9p minus 5. Yes, okay. So you will write it as 2p plus 7p first because they are like terms. Then the minus 5 got no friend, put it behind. So 2 plus 7 is 9, so it's 9p minus 5. Yay, 9p minus 5. Well done, well done. Okay, let's move on. Haha, fraction algebra again. So we have 7x over 6 divided by 14 over 3. So we will say keep, change, flip, right? Keep, you like. Okay, so keep, change, flip. Then again follow the ribbon rule, check the diagonal, the 7 and 14 divide by 7, 1, divide by 7, 2, divide by 3, 1, divide by 3, 2. So in this question, the numerator I have 1x times 1, which is just x. Denominator is 2 times 2, which is 4. Okay, you can leave your answer as x over 4, or remember I said when the alphabet is at the numerator, you can put it in the middle, or you can put it as 1/4 x. Both are the same. Both are the same. Okay.